Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project that you can make from a bicycle wheel. We unscrew the wheel and remove the tire with the tube from it. Next, you'll need several plates about 5 centimeters long, in which you need to drill 3 holes. Insert a bolt into the center hole and tighten it with a nut. Now, using another plate that already has 2 holes, we attach this plate to the rim with 2 bolts. And you need to attach 8 of these parts to the rim. This is how it should turn out. Unscrew the nut, and you need to attach this kind of part to the hub, which I welded from a metal strip and a 12mm bolt. Tighten the nut, and then put a piece of plastic pipe onto the bolt. Next, I took the stand from a fan and inserted the wheel with the pipe into it. You will also need several pieces of plastic pipe, which should be cut in half as shown in the video. You need to drill a hole in the center of the pipe and then attach an angle bracket to it using rivets. You need to make 8 of these parts and then attach them to the wheel. I think that at this stage, many of you have already realized what I'm making, a wind generator. Now we connect the connector with the wire to the hub and measure what voltage this device produces. As you can see, the voltage is about 5 volts. Off camera, I took a plastic box and attached 2 clips from plastic pipes to it. Now, in this box, you need to place 2 boards with a connector for voltage stabilization at 5 volts. In the box, we also place a 1860 battery, on the side of the box, we insert a key that works in 3 positions. We also place a TP4056 board for battery charge control. And the last thing you need to put in the box is a diode bridge with a capacitor, so that the alternating voltage from the speaker is converted to direct current. We attach the box to the stand using a clip. Then we run the wire, trim the excess, and connect everything as per the diagram on the screen. We screw on the lid and move on to testing the homemade device. This is how everything turned out. Now we take the multimeter and connect it to the bottom socket. As you can see, 5 volts appear on this socket only when the wheel is spinning. If you connect to the top socket and flip the switch, there will already be 5 volts there. The circuit is designed in such a way that one socket receives 5 volts directly from the generator, while the other receives power from the battery, which was previously charged by the generator. Let's connect a 5-volt bulb and see how everything works. This is connected directly to the socket that comes from the generator. Now let's connect to the socket that comes from the battery, which is charged by the generator. This way it works much better. You can simply put this homemade device somewhere on the balcony or in the yard so that it charges the internal battery from the wind, and then you can use its energy. Also, with this homemade device, you can charge your mobile phone. As you can see, it all works flawlessly. It's better to charge a power bank from the generator and then connect your phone to the power bank, although direct charging from the generator is possible. In general, the homemade device turned out great. Of course, it still needs some improvements. I think the blades should be made much wider. If anyone understands this, please write in the comments. Thank you all for watching and goodbye to everyone.